So, you have some extreme annoying burnt stuff on your stovetop. I'll show you what I did to get rid of the most difficult spots. Follow the same steps and your cooking top will be sparkly clean. This method works for all types of glass stoves, ceramic, induction cookers and vitroceramic cooktops. The fastest way to deep clean your hob is to use one of these scrapers. I know, but it is. Don't worry, it won't damage the glass. You could also do it with an abrasive sponge, but it requires more scrubbing. So, if you can, save yourself some time and get one of these. Step 1. Make your own hob degreaser. For this homemade cleaning solution, all you need to do is combine some baking soda with any manual dishwashing liquid and just a little bit of hot water. Any type of dishwashing liquid works fine. You're gonna mix these together and obtain a sort of a loose paste. Drop most of this mixture while it's hot on the dirtiest surfaces of your stovetop and help it spread on all areas. Keep some of it for later. Don't apply any pressure at this point. Step 2. Let it rest for about 20 minutes. What you want to achieve by doing this is just to soften the burn buildup and to partially dissolve the grease. Step 3. Scrape it. Use the glass scraper back and forth without any sharp change of direction. Apply pressure on the middle of your scraper. For demo purposes, here's a comparison on using the scraper versus an abrasive sponge on a dirty hob. The left side with the scraper took only a few seconds, while the other side needed a few good minutes of power scrubbing and the sponge still didn't finish the job. You will achieve the wanted result with an abrasive sponge in the end, but it will probably get on your nerves. So combine both the sponge and the scraper for best results. You will have some areas where doing this doesn't help. Here is a trick. These kinds of stubborn stains need a slightly different type of pressure. So press on just one of the sides of your scraper and use that edge to go back and forth on narrow spots. This way, the most problematic burn stains will come off easily. Use a cloth to get some of the product out of the way and to see where you need to scrape some more. Step 4. Repeat. Some like it hot, so heat the remaining degreasing solution in the microwave. And just repeat the same process in case you have remaining burn marks. This time, you can let the product rest for a shorter time if you want. Step 5. Rinse and make it shine. Use a cloth or a paper towel to get most of the product out. You can spray some window cleaner or just tap water and then use paper towels until you are left with a perfectly clean top surface with no streaks. And if you don't want to do this job ever again, just clean your stove with an abrasive sponge and dishwasher after each use using the scraper on the stubborn burn spots. Let me know how this went for you guys.